Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 11 of this office building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add in the floors, the streets, and the sidewalk. And we also added some sheets. We added the first floor, second, third, fourth, fifth roof plan and elevation onto a sheet A1. And then now we're ready to go to Twinmotion. But before that, let's make sure that it's under Find. And then we're ready to click the plugin, Twinmotion, and then click See in Twinmotion. So after that, click on New Project. And I want to take note that Twinmotion 2022 is ready. So you just need to upgrade. Everything is still free. So I'm using that. So let me see where we are, and I want to go to our view. Okay, as you can see, we have our model right here, and it's completely flush with this. We might be able to extend this, but our view it will be like this. And then we might go back to Revit just to extend this so that it doesn't show. But right now, I'm leaning on like this in this view, or this view like that. So make sure you save it first. So I'm gonna save this. So I saved it, and I want to click sign in as well, because I know I'm gonna be using some materials. So especially now that Skydome is ready, you'll be able to download Skydome, and it will completely change the rendering that you're gonna do. So make sure to upgrade to 2022. So here I'm just gonna change the glass first. So I'm going to add this glass, the two-sided glass, onto this, and I'm gonna make this one like that, and the color around bluish, and then up like that, and then opacity. Okay, that looks nice. And then this is glass as well, but we're gonna change this to something. Maybe I could just put this tinted, and this one is a darker tinted glass. And then let's heighten the opacity on that, because I don't want this to be shown, the floors. And then so something like that. That's good enough. Around 90 will be good. And then for the blue, I want it to be around maybe 70. Okay, that will be nice. Okay, so that's good. I want to change the wood. So Let me see if we have a better wood here. Veneer. Let me go to Megascan and then 3D asset. No, not 3D asset. So surface, and then let's check veneer woods. Let's see the mahogany. I want a lighter one. Mahogany veneer. And let's pull up the scale. So instead of veneer, I want something plank. I've used this before, so and let's try this as well. And then let's pull up the scale. So this is nice. I like this. Okay. And then now let's go back to materials, and then let's go to wall covering, and then let's add matte painted white for this. The concrete, it looks good. Maybe we could scale this a little bit, so that's nice. I want to add the painted or rough coating right here, so that's good. And then here, let's change this. I want this to be, I think, gray satin paint, and then let's put it to gray. Maybe darker. Okay, that looks nice. And then go back here, then ground, man-made, asphalt road, let's do pavement tiles here. Let's see if it's good. Pavement tiles again. No. I like this airport tarmac on here. I'm gonna keep that, and then just put asphalt road. Maybe this one's good, or concrete. The reflectiveness, I'm just gonna turn on probably I'm not gonna turn that on here, but for the black, the dark tinted, I'm gonna turn that on. After that, let's go onto our settings. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to camera, and then parallelism is always turned off. Visual effects, let's go and do blue tint, my favorite. And then we're gonna take care of those later on. I just want to set those. Render, let's do that later. So the new thing is Skydome. Let's choose low sun, overcast, and then here you just need to download again. Let's try something low sun overcast. So click download. So you just need to wait. Maybe let's download this one as well while waiting. And then this one as well, low sun overcast. So this one's done. What you do is you just put it over there. Just drag and drop it to the sky, and then it will do its thing. There we go. It looks very nice. And then, as you know, you can rotate it depending on how do you like the sun bounce. So I like it like that. You can turn on and off the Skydome effect lights. Let's see later on. And then the intensity. You can change the ambient here as well. So by just adding Skydome, as you can see, it really set the mood on your rendering. And we're not even complete. We haven't put any background and even some cars and some decals. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So object, city, and then planters. I like adding this onto the street. So I'm gonna add this one onto the side. And then here as well. I want to make sure that I'm putting it in the right area. I'm gonna check others as well. I don't want this one to be overpowering. So let's see which of this will be a good fit. So I might have to do it with this. Okay. And then let's lower the size like that. So here maybe I could change this one with the other one. No. So I'm gonna undo that. Yeah, this one probably. So I'm just gonna change this. Click on the 3. So for this one, you cannot change the height. Okay. So I'll just go back to the original. So I'll go back to original, which is, I believe, this one. Because at least I could scale this up. Because I don't know what's going on here. Okay, you need to double click for some reason. Okay, so now I'm gonna delete this and just place this once. I might change the scale here, so make it smaller. And then I want to space this out properly. Okay, so this one I want to set around 20. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep on creating one, or I'm gonna do this and then hold on shift and then move it again. This will be probably around, I think 13 meters, and then probably I'm gonna add in 4 more. Okay, so that's good. This one as well, I'm gonna set. So hold on shift, move this one on the side. It will ask you how many, and then the spacing 13, and then this probably 6 or 7. So 7. Okay. Okay. So the problem with this is I will need a background there and a background here as well. I could go here and then go to location and then the background. I will rotate this so that it will show the background, the city at the back. And then I'm gonna lower this, and then I want to make sure that we have some cars, so go back here and then go to vehicles, cars, and then let's start adding some cars. onto this. So part cards. And then just do 180. Okay. And then on this side as well, let's add multiple cars. This one, we need to put 90. And around here, let's put in some van. Okay, so add it there. And let's put in some bike. Okay, so everything's looking good. Let's put into our background. So for some reason, my user library is not showing because we have the new Twinmotion 2022. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load that later on. Go to your burger menu. So let me do that later. So what we could do is add in some decals. So object, decals, zebra crossing, and then we could do the same thing. Let's keep on adding this. Probably 4 more. We just need to show. Let's do this and let's copy, turn it 90 degrees so that on the other side. Because I'm gonna show it like that only. I'm gonna curve this on Revit so that we could add in some background buildings, and even here. So while I'm uploading or moving my user library, let's go back to Revit. And like I said, I want to go back to level 1 and curve that. So here, let's uncrop this, and then I'm gonna make this go in circle. Circle like that. I think the more curve, the better. So that, and then let's do an offset. There we go. And then here as well, let's do this. I want it to be on this side. And then offset again, 20,000. And then trim and extend. And then just close this. Then close this as well. Delete this. And then we need to edit the other one as well. So here, edit boundary. And then now we need to pick this line and then trim and extend. And then trim and extend here. Here, delete this. Trim here. Pick line. Delete this first and then pick it line. Here, let's pick this line as well. For this one, let's delete this and delete this. We just need to close it off like that and then trim it. And then click finish. Go back to 3D. Save this first and then see in Twinmotion. Okay. So for now, let's stop here and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.